Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how we can change language in Monopoly Go. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, you will see three straight lines in top right corner. You have to click on that. Next, you will see settings option. There you will see language in which English is chosen. You have to click on that. And there you will see various languages. You can choose any of them. After selecting them, your language will be changed. So this is how you change language in Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.